The units of electric field intensity are volt per meter. Okay. So we will try to find out the electric field due to a line charge density. So for our convenience, initially I will take infinite line charge. Infinite line charge means the length is infinite. Okay. So this line charge, we are calling it as line charge. It has a distribution of line. For example, if you take the electron beam, so that is an example of line charge. And first thing is we will find out the E bar, that is find out dE bar due to dl length line charge. And extend it to total length. Okay, this is the normal procedure that we follow. Okay. So let us consider coordinate system. This is x-axis, y-axis, z-axis, negative z-axis, positive z-axis. Okay. The line charge is extending from plus infinity to minus infinity. So this is the origin. Okay. So this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, all that is 0. Now I have considered the line charge from minus infinity to infinity. I will consider a point somewhere on the y-axis. Let us consider the point P. So on y-axis z will be 0. And it is at a distance of rho from the origin. Then this will be rho. And if you consider that it is making an angle phi with the x-axis, this is phi. So why you are considering these coordinates? I am considering cylindrical coordinate system. Why I am considering that? Because when you consider this, the electric field distributions will be in cylindrical in nature. So I am considering a cylindrical coordinate system for our convenience. So you can use the Cartesian coordinate system later and convert that into cylindrical coordinate system also, but it is more complex way of doing the problem. Okay, this is the point rho phi comma z. And I will consider another point. Okay. So on z axis, will be 0. Okay, so it has same phi with respect to this, if you consider, and it is at a distance of z dash from the origin. Then this point is 0 comma phi comma z. So consider that this point is on the same plane. So when the same plane, so this phi will be same. Now at this point, I'll consider a small length. This is of total length L. I'll consider small length dl. Okay. So what is the definition of rho L? Charge per unit length. Suppose this dl contains a charge of dq. What is the value of dq? Rho L into dl. Now I'll try to find out the electric field due to this small charge. And after that, I will integrate over a length from minus infinity to infinity, and I will get it for infinite length charge. So generally E bar is equal to, what is that? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square into AR, where AR is the unit vector along the R direction. This is the general formula. Okay. So the same formula we shall apply here. But what I am going to find out? dE bar due to dq, where I have to find out the point P. Let us say the point P is at a distance of R. Okay, 4 pi epsilon naught. So epsilon naught means I am considering a free space. It is at a distance of R from it. Okay, R square. But I need the unit vector. So the direction, the unit vector is AR. So how do you get it? R bar by mod R bar. So ultimately dq by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube R bar. Okay. Now, what is R bar? So this is the vector R bar. So this is the length of this one R. How do you get it? This is the vector, one vector, this is the another vector. Okay. How do you get R bar? So anyway, we have point 0 comma 5 comma z dash. Then R bar, you can write it as this minus this into vectors. Okay. Rho minus 0 into arrow plus 0, because I am considering on the same plane, phi is same, so that will be the 0, and 0 minus z dash into h. So what is R bar? Rho arrow minus z dash into h. Okay, now we'll try to substitute these values. dE bar is equal to, what is dq? Rho L into dl by 4 pi epsilon into r cube r bar. So in the place of r bar, what is that? I'm going to write down. In the place of dl bar, what I am writing? dl is nothing but this L is placed on z axis. So automatically, so dl will become dz. Okay. So dl bar will become z into az. dz into az. So rho L by 4 pi epsilon naught into r cube into dz. So dl is nothing but dz into r bar. What is r bar? Rho into a rho minus z dash az. Then what is r cube? Rho square plus z dash square whole over 3 by 2. From this, so for small length, it is the small electric field. Differential length, differential a very small electric field. For total, what you have to do? So you have to integrate between minus infinity to infinity, rho L into dz, rho a rho minus z az 4 pi epsilon naught into rho square plus z square whole power 3 by 2. So we can simplify it further. What can I write it down? So what are the constant here? Rho L is a constant. I can bring it outside. Rho L by 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant. So I can write it as minus infinity to infinity. Rho a rho into, sorry, rho a rho minus z dash into az into dz by rho square plus z delta square whole power 3 by 2. Okay. So in this, so in this equation, E bar is equal to something. I will consider this part. So what happened actually? Here this is from minus infinity to infinity. I have taken a point here. Okay. X axis, Y axis. This is Z axis. Now if you consider a point, the electric field due to dl. So dl is nothing but it contains a charge rho L into dl. Due to this charge, there will be electric field in this direction. Let us consider. So as it is symmetrical, so I am considering here. So what is the midpoint for minus infinity? Anywhere it is a midpoint, but I am considering here on the y-axis for our reducing the complexity. So this is in this direction. So what you can say, this is dE bar. This is at a distance of the same distance z dash. where the z component will be so minus z dash. Okay, so the same distance symmetrically there will be a dl. Okay, so this is from 0 to infinity, this is from 0 to minus infinity, so this is symmetrical. At the same distance we'll have a dl. Due to dl we have a charge that equal to rho l into dl, and due to that there will be a electric field dE. Okay, so now what happens here, suppose if you consider another dl symmetrically, what happens here, I consider another dl. If you consider another dl symmetrically at this point, so this is the electric field, similarly this is the electric field. Okay, so like that for each and every length we'll have a electric field components like this. But suppose I'll consider this, so this has vertical component and horizontal component, and I'll consider this has vertical component and horizontal component. Okay, so what happens here, the dE magnitude is same, this magnitude of this one, magnitude of this is same, but they are directed in opposite direction. So these components are vertical components in z direction but opposite direction, so they will cancel each other. So if you consider another dl also same thing, vertical components each other cancel each other. So that's why as all the vertical components can be cancelled each other, I am writing a new equation, because that new equation will be, there will be no z component. Okay, so all the, anyway if you derive also you'll get the same thing, but initially by analysis I'm simplifying it. Rho l by 4 pi epsilon naught integral minus infinity to infinity rho a rho by rho square z dash square whole power 3 by 2 into d. So I have to simplify this. If you are able to simplify this, you will get a. So now it's a simple case of integration. Substitution method. Z is equal to rho tan theta. I will consider. So in order to consider that, so where is theta? This will be the theta. Okay. Suppose what is the maximum value of theta? So this point is at infinity. Let us say this actually it is infinity. Suppose if I am considering here, so when this point is meeting at infinity means it will be like this. Okay, when two lines are meeting at infinity, what is the definition? They are parallel. So when they are parallel, what is the maximum value that you are getting? 90 degrees. So theta is 90 degrees in this direction, and when this direction 90 degrees means automatically when you consider this in this way, so what will be the value? This will be minus 90 degrees. So theta minus 90 degrees to plus 90. Okay, that you will get here. Okay, so from that do this. Very simple calculations. So dz dash is equal to rho into what is the integration of, sorry, differentiation of tan theta secant square theta into d. And z dash is equal to infinity. What is theta? Theta is equal to pi by 2. And z dash is equal to minus infinity. If you substitute, you will get the same thing. Theta is equal to minus pi by 2. Okay. So now rho L by 4 pi epsilon so minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, I'll keep this here only. Okay. What is dz? Rho secant square theta d theta. So rho square z is equal to rho tan theta. So rho square tan square theta whole 4 3 by 2. So what will come out? Rho L by 4 pi epsilon naught minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 rho square secant square theta d theta. So when you bring this all rho square whole power 3 by 2 is rho cube. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta whole power 1 by 2 secant theta. This will become secant cube theta. That is secant cube theta. This is cancels out. So rho will remain in the denominator. So this is secant theta. So finally E bar is equal to rho L by 4 pi epsilon naught. So minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So what remain? Rho in the denominator cos theta d theta. So cos theta is a even function. So even function minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So 2 into 0 to pi by 2 cos theta d theta. What is the value of it? 1. So 2 into rho L by 4 pi epsilon rho. This rho is different. This is line charge density. This is a distance, radial distance. 4 pi epsilon into rho. Arrow is missing here. This is arrow will be continuing from there only. Okay, so here we are. So arrow. So rho L by 2 pi epsilon rho into arrow. So what is the electric field? The electric field due to infinite line charge. Okay, infinite line charge is rho L by 2 pi epsilon rho into arrow. So this is the electric field due to infinite line charge. Okay. So what is the conclusion here? So when the infinite line charge is there, so only the radial direction, the electric field is in the radial direction only. This is the arrow direction, radial direction. So no other components, vertical component of electric field are 0.